Amsterdam, good morning, Turkish 1951, descend 360 heading 310.
Turkish 1951, good day, 2 turn left heading 300, descend to flight level 150, runway 18 right.
Start, heading 300, descending 180, confirm.
Flight level 150, Turkish 1951, speed 300 knots or greater.
Good morning, Fiat 262 heading 310, EHF, Foxtrot.
Turkish 1951 to confirm, heading 300, descend to flight level 150, and your speed 300 knots or greater.
Heading 300 or greater, speed 300 or greater, heading 300, descend 150, 1951.
Turkish 1951, descend to flight level 100, to be level by RTIP, maintain the speed.
Descend 100, be level RTIP, 1951.
Turkish 1951, descend to flight level 70, after RTIP to Sierra Papa Lima.
770, RTIP, Sierra Papa Lima, 1951.
Turkish 1951, your speed 250 knots and contact approach 19050, bye-bye.
250, 1905, have a good day, thank you, sir. Amsterdam, good morning, Turkish 1951, descending 70, speed 250.
Turkish 1951, hello, proceed Sierra Papa Yankee, descend to 40, speed okay for ILS 18 right. Croatia 450, turn left heading 210, clear approach, 18 right.
Turkish 210, clear approach, 18 right, and speed is now 190.
Roger sir, thank you. Break Turkish 1951, proceed on Sierra Papa Yankee, descend level 40, ILS 18 right.
Sierra Papa Yankee 40, 18 right, Turkish 1951.
Turkish 1951, descend to 2000, 1027.
2000, 1027, 1951.
Turkish 1951, turn left heading 210, clear approach, 18 right.
Left 210, clear 18 right, Turkish 1951.
Turkish 1951, contact tower, 1827, bye-bye.
1827, have a good day, thank you, sir. Sezon Tower, good morning, Turkish 1951, 18 right.
Turkish 1951, good morning, runway 18 right, clear to land, wind 210 at 9.
Clear land, thank you, 1951.
Morning, this is 262, 1500, 18 right.
Yeah, 262, good morning, number 2.
Number 2.
Flight 78 Alpha, 7 miles, Disco is established.
Flight 78 Alpha, roger. 1951. 262, please go around, yeah, 262, go around.
Go around, yeah, 262.
1951. Yeah, 262, do you see something on the ground which happened over there?
Negative, sir, we are in clouds, we are making misapproach.
Okay. Fly 78 Alpha, go around, fly straight ahead.
Go around heading straight ahead, fly 7 Alpha.
Yeah, 262, contact departure 1212.
112.
78 Alpha, turn right, heading 260.
Runway 260, fly 7 Alpha. Flyer 7 Alpha, what's the situation down on the ground? Can we expect another approach?
Fly 78 Alpha, well, we are at this moment looking at a very large emergency. It looks like we lost an aircraft, so continue on this heading, contact 1212.
On the heading 1212, fly 7 Alpha, cheers.